easily achieve the perfect skin without spending money on expensive products. Lady's finger okra is among the numerous kitchen ingredients you can transform into a face mask to nourish your skin because it's a natural and chemical-free solution. Today's video will discuss how to fix wrinkles and pigmentations with lady's finger okra. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. It's especially recommended for those who are suffering from dry skin and wrinkles, acne and other common problems. The main ingredients in this natural face mask is the lady's finger okra. Its healthy and beneficial properties will fight off the wrinkles, giving you smooth skin. When you transform the okra into a face mask, you are getting a natural and chemical-free solution to nourish your skin in a few minutes. This natural face mask goes for all of those who want to achieve the perfect skin without spending too much money on expensive products. The recipe for the natural face mask. Ingredients: lady's finger, okra, rose water. Instructions: put 4 to 5 lady's finger in a blender and rose water in it. Blend well until it forms a thick paste. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Wash your face and neck and let it dry. Apply the mask on your face. Let it sit for a few minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. The mask will return the glow of your skin. I hope this natural face mask helps you to get rid of those annoying wrinkles. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.